you'll notice, in fact I won't add the name there because it hasn't been updated. Add the name here. One theory of internet marketing. Now, I do the hiring at the moment, so I will add the names here. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. That's my job. Basically, if you add a name here, you have to import the new table, or new chart rather, into here. But if the name is already listed here, which it will be for you, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is update it. So you'll see here, we've got that information there. Right? You come here, or press Ctrl F5 to refresh, and then you'll see there it's a number. It's a one reject basically. So writers will be able to see this and daily. They'll be checking it, and they'll be able to see, okay, I've got one reject which has come in today. I'm still in the blue zone. I'll go and fix it. I'm going to go more into the blue and the red in a minute, but basically that's how it works. Okay, and if we go back here, if the next day this rejection is still there, it means it's put here, and as you'll see, you don't have to do any HTML, you don't have to import any charts or anything, it's all done, and you'll see it automatically updates there, which is brilliant. I thought these were just static JPEGs, but basically they're all connected, which is makes your life a lot easier. Okay, and so I think that explains it quite well. Let's go in just quickly, well, we've got 2.5 minutes left, the blue and the red bars. Okay. Oh, just bear with me. Update rejections. Yes, that's fine. Moderate. Okay, so moderate and follow up with writers who meet the following limits. Right, blue bar. So that blue bar means that they've had rejections that have been listed today in the writer's account. Okay. And so, if they have between 1 and 4 rejects in the blue today bar, there's no notification. You don't need to do anything, okay, because they're still safe. If they have 5 to 9 rejections in the blue today bar, writers have 24 hours to fix their articles before they incur a $5 fine. Okay, so that's between 5 and 9 rejects in the blue bar. I'll just show you. I'm sure you know what that looks like, but let's just show you an example here. So if they're there, like that, they're just about to incur a fine between 5 and 9, okay? And if they have 10 plus rejects in the blue today bar, writers have 24 hours to fix articles before they have their account disabled. It's quite serious, but I think that's what we need to do to get the process moving along nice and healthily. Okay, so next up is the red bar. Now, if they have this means that it's overdue. It's more than a day old. They've had 24 hours to fix it in the blue bar, but they haven't. So, if they have between 1 and 4 rejects in the red overdue bar, no notification. Okay, don't waste your time. But if they have 5 to 9 in the red bar, let's say they've got 7, that's dangerous ground, and it means that they will incur a $5 fine. Now, this is what I need to know. There's not much you need to talk to me about during the day, but I need to know when writers will incur a fine, because I obviously do the payments. Okay, so if they're like this, they've already had a warning while they've been in the blue, and they will incur a fine. Right, okay, so there's a fine if they have between 5 and 9 rejections in the red. Like you can see here, there's 7. Now, finally, if they have 10 or more rejects, I expect you're getting the gist of this now. If they have 10 or more rejects in the red overdue bar, writers will have their account disabled without notification. And again, that is the information that I need to know. Okay, so which writers need to be fined and which writers need to have their account disabled. Okay, And in addition, I'll just say what else I need to know is with the daily quotas, when I need to close accounts for the daily quotas, but we'll get onto that a bit later. Apart from that, you're left to your own devices, okay? But of course, if you need help, I'm always available by email. So that is that. And that is it. I'll leave you to it, okay? Thank you.